Well celebrated. The festival starts with a ceremony in Sajigor, a worship place where milk products and fruits are distributed. Special Thanksgiving rituals are also arranged, and people then assemble at a dancing place called Nataiken, where boys and girls sing and dance together. The Uchao festival is celebrated in all the three valleys of the Kelaash tribe. The festival is essentially a thanksgiving ceremony in which people express gratitude to nature for providing fruits, milk, and grains. The festival is one of the religious and cultural festivals celebrated by Kelaash tribe. Like many other festivals around the year, UNESCO listed Kelaash culture as intangible cultural heritage in November 2008. Government of Pakistan provides security system for the Kelaash festivals. The Kelaash people celebrate Uchao festival as a harvesting and bringing the cheese down from the higher pasture by the shepherds. The cheese which are brought down from the pasture will be taken to the altars and offered as thanksgiving for good livestock and harvest and crops and fruits. It takes place at the daytime in Rambur Valley and nighttime at Bamburet Valley, which lasts until morning. Before this festival, Kelaash people celebrate Ratnat. It lasts almost for 2 months. And the Ratnat is only celebrated the night time, and it is the opportunity for the new generation to know how to perform in the festivals.